no. Petal, why you do it? Petal, look, I also think that I can sing. But I don't go around dressing like a clown. Eh? Petal, the last time you tried to sing like this, you pissed up yourself.
Mama, no sorry, me,
Petal, me see the dry foot there, me say me know their foot there. But we couldn't believe you.
Yo, this is a roasting session from Charles Tamblyn, great Jamaican actor. I think he resides in UK right now. Tonight is his night. Just a short video, and we have a next one coming of him tomorrow as well, or later on in a week. So you know, so me not go to talk it out because me rather laugh it out. But like a video for me and share it for me as well. Let's jump into the laughing.
My dirty work colleague.
God. You mean to tell me, say, the boss left the place like this? Eh? That boss of mine is so nasty. Eh? So me fix up and put up, I saw him pull down and tear down. Eh? Yesterday evening before me left here, me clean the place from top to bottom. And look how the man leave the place like any Hurricane Mitchell pass through here. Boy, I tell you, every day me come and work, all me have to do, I clean, like me any cleaner lady. Eh? But it don't tap. It a go tap. He must stop. Eh? Where he been there? He must in near me. Well, you can find out your final alternative. That's how you hear. Eh? I can't take this. That man is so Oh, God. No. The man is so nasty. You know, at one time, me sure said the man was a twin. Because once man, you're not supposed to be nasty, so. Eh? Me say, last week, is right here, so me find him false tooths. Yeah? So unhealthy, so ungenic, so nasty. But I tell you, this is the last time I'm going to clean up half time. The very last time. But wait, not that me say last week, and the week before that, and the week before. 10 years me I work here now? No. This have to stop. I can't continue like that.
Jaja. Some boss are nasty people, some boss are real evil, you know, man. But him worse than the boss. Instead of he throw the garbage outside, even though they don't have no bin, put them in one bag and throw them outside. The man has spread the garbage in the office, all over the office space. Tell me now. Charles Tamblyn, you know, easy, you know, man. Anyways, if you want to watch more of him without my ugly face, just go on over TikTok. Charles Tamblyn, that's his name. So we have our next piece, yeah?
My wife thinks she can sing.
You look like any candy floss.
I am here to sing for Mr. Scrooge so I can get a musical contract with his recording company. Yeah.
Well, you in for a surprise. Yeah. You guys see me? I'm Bob Cratchit. Yeah? I am Mr. Scrooge, right-hand man. Yeah? So, that means you have to sing for me, let me hear you. Yeah? Because I decide whether to fail you or to fail you. So sing.
And Mr. Hi! We'll always love you!
Petal, hold on. I married to you. Petal, why you do it? Petal, look for you. Why you tear on the curtain and do it like that? Look for you. You look like any junko, no. Petal, why you do it? Petal, look. I also think that I can sing. But I don't go around dressing like a clown. Eh? Petal, the last time you tried to sing like this, you pissed up yourself.
Mama, no sorry, me,
Petal, me see the dry foot there, me say me know their foot there. But we couldn't believe you. Why you doing? Petal, I cry, yeah, I cry.
Yes, I cry, me, I cry.
You want me to cry with you?
If you can spare the time.
Well, I have a few seconds between work, you see. Okay, how far you reach? have to go back to work now, you see?
I've heard a lot of stuff in my lifetime, but if you go cry with somebody and ask them how far along in their crying they are, Jano Star, that's creative writing right there. Mr. Charles Tamlin, that was a good looking piece of laugh, me not tell no lie. Yeah man, as me say, it was a short video. You know, we have to stay consistent. YouTube will fight the thing, but instead of it not post a video, I'd rather to do some short videos until, you know, you all like and share and subscribe and click the notification bell and comment and get the ball rolling again. Because consistency is key. Them say hard work, me not believe so. Them say working smart, me not believe so. You have to be consistent in hard working or working smart. Or work smart and hard work together, but be consistent. So that's what I'm doing, being consistent. And I appreciate everyone watching the videos over the past year. Yeah, it's been a year.